Hey buddy, how you doing?
Is the gas quicker?
Yes.
Yeah.
The i5's got a lot of torque, right? That instantaneous from that electric motor, but it's almost 800 pounds heavier than this car. This car's all-wheel drive versus the i5 is rear drive only. So the front end's really nice how they have it designed. It really pulls that front end through the corners. So that's the biggest thing that you're going to notice between the two cars is the weight. Practically other than that, they're the same car.
How heavy is it?
It's 40, say mid 4,000s, I want to say. So it's still pretty, even this one, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
But that i5 will top charts at 5,000. So, all right, go. Timing, dude. That is impeccable timing. We'll go ahead and straight in here. Wow, I couldn't have timed that one any better. Nice driving, man.
Thank you.
All right, we'll go ahead and pull up to the 2 orange cones, basically right where you started here.
Yeah. It's pretty good handling for such a big car.
It surprises me, man. Like, you know, when I first saw these cars, I was like, man, that's a monster. It's the same size as the old 7 Series.
Yeah,
they're just getting so big.
Yeah.
And then the more I'm driving it, I'm like, all right, this is pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Pretty good job, buddy. Good wheeling, man.
Thank you.
We'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
So, what do you like better, i5, 540?
I like the gas one.
Yes, sir. There you go.
This does not feel like a 5 Series at all.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It's so funny when you look at it, you're like, man, it's a big car. And then you're driving it. Like I said, I'm like, man, it doesn't feel like a big car.
Thank you.
Good to meet you, man.
That was amazing.
Awesome.
Thank you. Liberty Walk 720.
What do you think of the electric?
I prefer gas cars. I'm always a sucker for gas cars.
Good. I'm in the oil and gas business. You're gonna keep me employed. Yeah, there you go. Wider. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Make this one count. Yeah, there, that's better. Nice and tight there, yeah. Off. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Just wind it in. Yep, there you go. Much better, yeah. Okay, and then this time you'll come in. Slow it down. Yep, nice. Nice, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's like finding that rhythm really fast.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
it's
yeah.
really hard to just get it nailed.
Yeah.
He's pulling right behind this guy.
All right.
Yeah, nice and tight. Yeah.
You're back there with liquid wine, Mark. You're in the back, yeah. Imagine if he could see what he could do. This one? The green?